Hello friends, welcome to LMS Solution Research Support. In this video, we are going to discuss about a new launched AI tool, which is having different AI templates and also it is having a chatbot. So let us go on to today's video and explore with some research prompts and let us see how it will generate content for our prompts and for our research paper writing. Let us go on to today's video. Before moving to today's video, an important announcement from our channel is that we are going to conduct an online workshop on EV charging station with PV and wind energy as sources. So in this workshop, we are going to model PV and wind energy as our input sources, and then we are going to implement maximum power point tracking in both of them to grasp maximum amount of energy from them, and then we are going to connect it with EV charging station. We are going to make a proper power management between them. So these are the important things we are going to discuss in this workshop. So if you are interested in EV charging station design, so don't forget to register our online workshop. The link of the registration will be given in the description of this video. See you on our workshop. Moving on to our today's video, the AI tool what we are going to discuss today is that AI Turbos. So here this is the dashboard of this AI Turbos. So as like in many of the AI tools, it is having all the options related with AI content creation. So you will be given 1000 words and 5 image tokens for free. So here you can see these are the different options available. So first one is AI Writer. So just to click on this AI Writer option. So here you can see that, so these are the different templates available in AI writing. So these are the different categories. So starting from favorite, YouTube, writer, website, voiceover, social media, RSS, languages, fitness and health, entertainment, development, customer service, business, blog, advertising, advertisement, academic. So these are the different options available. So here I am going to select academic. So in this academic, so these are the different templates are available. So cover statement, cover letter, math questions, bullet point answers, academic essay, next thesis statement, proofreading, rephrase, improve. So these are the different options available. So all this can be very useful for our research paper writing. So next you can say as far as writing is concerned. So here you can see ebook, paragraph, story generator, book ideas, content improver. So like that, these are the different options are available in writer. So apart from this, other are related with other commercial elements like social media post, etc., development, e-commerce, etc. So we will explore some of the templates. So in order to explore this template, so here you can see this is the thesis statement template. So generate a thesis statement for a given topic. So here you can include your thesis topic. So for example, you can give anything. So for example, I am going to give machine learning algorithms in energy management. So like that I am going to give a topic. So after that you can select English, so language and maximum length 200. So creativity, good, average. So I am going to give good, and then so you can select the tone of voice, professional. So and then click on generate. So it will analyze that particular topic you have given. So and it will give you a statement. The use of machine learning algorithms in energy management has the potential to optimize energy usage and reduce cost for business and individuals. So like that only it is generated. So if you want more, so you can add upon some inputs here. So and then you can increase the length also. So like that you can use this thesis statement generator to generate thesis. So apart from this, so I am going to go to academic again. So you can improve the content. So in this improve content, so you can give the text to improve, that will be improved, especially so whenever there will be a plagiarism or the quality of the content in your research paper is very poor. So you can use this option to improve the content, quality of the content in your research paper. Now next, academic essay. So just click on academic essay. So in this academic essay you can give whatever the topic you want. So accordingly it will generate that academic essay for you. For example, I am going to give renewable energy usage in power sector. So like that you can give an input. So after that click on generate. So it will take several seconds and it will generate the content. So renewable energy usage in power sector is a crucial step towards sustainable future. By investing in sources like solar, wind and hydropower, you can reduce carbon emissions and promote cleaner energy production. This shift is essential in combating climate change and ensuring a more environmental friendly and energy grid. So the content generated by this particular AI turbos is very crisp and clear, so that is very important. So instead of generating a big content in 2 or 3 paragraphs, it is generating what is the content we need, so you can make use of this option. So apart from this, you can see these are the different options available. AI plagiarism checker, so analyze text and comparing it vast databases online and to identify potential plagiarism. So next, AI director, so you can see AI director. So after that, you will be having options like AI file chat, so you can upload your file, simply upload a PDF, find specific information, extract key insights or summarize the entire document. So like that, you can upload a document as like you do in chat with PDF, and you can chat with that particular file. So and then you can see that these are AI image generator, and then AI web chat, AI chat image, next AI chat. So this is a chatbot, so you can select any of the chatbot. There are different options are available here. So default chatbot, so you can ask anything you want, it will generate the content. So apart from this, you will be having different AI chatbot categories like financial expert, nutritionalist, career counselor, time management consultant, language tutor, cyber security expert, interior designer, parenting coach, fitness trainer, travel advisor, sustainability expert, event planner, chat image. So these are the different chat bot are available. So as far as research paper writing is concerned, so you can select this default AI chatbot, so and you can give any input prompt you want here. So and here you will be having an option to attach the file also, so you can attach whatever file you want. So you can ask any questions you want, and so thereby this chatbot will generate answer for you. So next, apart from this, you can generate code, and you can generate code, and then you can generate, simply turn your YouTube videos into blog post. So you can copy and paste the YouTube videos, and that can be converted into blog post easily. So like that, so you can make use of this option. So if you come across any videos which is mostly related or relevant to your research, so it will converted into a blog post. So here you can see this is how it works. So this is the YouTube. So simplifying thesis writing with AI tools and tips, selecting your research topic and developing a plan, utilizing AI tools to thesis writing, proofreading and feedback. So this is the YouTube video link I have copied. So automatically the blog post for that YouTube videos will be generated here. So apart from this, you can have this AI speech to text to voiceover clone, etc. There are different options are available, and you are having affiliate option also. So if you want to use more, so you have to go for subscription option. We are in a free mode, that is we are having 1,000 words for free. So after that, so if you are wishing to upgrade this AI turbos, so you can go for subscription option. So it's $9.9 monthly and 19.9 monthly. So here you can access that is 163 templates. So here also 163 templates. Next you can have 12,000 words in this plan, and you have 40,000 words in this plan. So like that, according to the number of words and image tokens, the subscription price may vary. So whatever you want, so you can go for it after exploring with your free words. So this is all about this AI turbos. Hope this video can get an idea about how to use this AI turbos for your research paper writing. So thank you for watching our videos. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Have a nice day. Thank you.